Garage door problems?
Let me give it a push.
I can do it.
Hold on, I think I got this.
Finally. You really should have this thing checked out.
Yeah, I've been meaning to get around to it. Are you okay?
You need to call New England Overhead Door. They can take care of this stuff.
That's a great idea.
New England overhead door.
This could have been avoided with a $79 garage door health check.
I can fix this up in a jiffy.
If you need a new garage door or your current garage door needs help, call New England Overhead Door. We have the most experienced technicians, which allows us to be the best in our industry.
Bye! See ya! Thank you!